welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Grove haul. I know, I have a problem, but I just like showing you guys what I get every month. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like these videos or if I should only show it every now and then. I don't want to overwhelm you guys with the Grove stuff. I'm not sponsored by Grove, by the way. They don't even know who I am. But I just love their site. I love all the products that I've gotten from them. You know, so I just love Grove. Not sponsored. I do have a code down below where you guys can get some free products whenever you spend $20 if you use my link. So make sure to check that out if you guys are interested in anything that I show you guys today. But enough rambling, let's get on into the haul. So this is a pretty small haul. I didn't get too many things this month. I tried to be good, but I did want to show you guys the stuff that I got because I'm really excited about them. So the first thing I got are these 7th generation unbleached 100% recycled paper towels. I have never ever tried something like this, and I wanted to get them because cleaning the glass with microfiber cloths, the microfiber, like everything like kind of sticks to them. That doesn't make sense, but like they have like just little like, I don't know, stuff just sticks to them, and so when you're wiping off like the mirrors and stuff, you can really see it and it makes it look streaky. And so I wanted to try these to see if it would maybe help that. Like, I do love microfiber cloths, but like because it is a cloth, it can get that like, you know, what am I trying to say? I don't even know. That stuff on it that like just streaks the glass. Like, it's fine for the counters, you can't see like any streakiness or whatever, but with glass it like really irritates me, and I don't want my mirrors to look like they're dirty. So I figured I would pick these up and try these out. Normally we don't even really use paper towels, so I guess we could use these like if we needed paper towels for other things, but my main purpose in purchasing these was to clean the bathroom mirrors. I also picked up this Mrs. Meyer's Vinegar Gel No Rinse Cleanser. I've had my eye on this for a while. You guys know, if you watch my videos, that I love the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream cleanser, I think is what it's called. And then they came out with this, and I've wanted to try it forever, but I haven't. So I just decided, you know what? This month I'm gonna put it in my cart and we're gonna try it out. So I'm really excited. I want to try to use this on the kitchen sink. That's where I use the baking soda cream cleanser, but I want to see if like, I want to compare them. Maybe do like one side. Would you guys want to see a comparison video? Like if I did one side of my sink with the baking soda cream cleanser and one side with this, would that be interesting? Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that in a video. But yeah, but I'm really excited to try this product out, and I'm sure you can use it on other things too, but this says it's supposed to be tough on water stains, so that's why I kind of thought, oh, like for the kitchen sink it might be good. I don't know. We'll see if I like it or not. The next thing I got is this all-purpose scrub brush, and I don't have a lot of like cleaning accessories like brushes, and I use a lot of sponges, just like the cheap sponges you can get at like Walmart or Target, but I wanted to like kind of stock up on actual cleaning accessories, and so I wanted to try this for the bathtub because I feel like the bathtub is one of those that like it's just hard even with a sponge to like get stuff off of it. And so I wanted to try this and see if like maybe this works. I know some people have used like clean like broom, like they purchased a broom specifically for the bathtub, so it's kind of like the same sort of idea. I just don't want to go like buy a whole broom for that when I could buy this, but I'm excited to see if it will like work, like how it's gonna work. But I figured you could also use this for like floors as well, like to really scrub your floor. I don't have any floors that like it would really work on, but like if I move or something, which hopefully soon, you guys, hopefully soon that we are moving, but yeah, I could try that. I don't know why I'm rambling, you guys, but I did pick this up and I am excited to see if it works. I picked up another Method Honeycrisp Apple hand soap because the one in my bathroom is like getting kind of close to empty because I wash my hands a lot, and so does James, and so I wanted to pick up another one, and this is my favorite scent from Method. Like, hands down, Honeycrisp Apple scent from Method is the best. Like, I love it. It's my favorite scent from them. I wish that they had this in a room spray because I would be spraying that everywhere every day. Like, it would probably be bad. I'd probably spend a ton of money in room spray because I would just go through it like crazy. But anyway, so I picked up another one of these for our bathroom. All right, you guys know, if you saw my last Grove haul, I purchased all the apple cider Mrs. Meyer's collection, like the hand soap, the dish soap, and the spray. And they sent a candle with it, but it wasn't the apple cider candle from Mrs. Meyer's. It was like something else. And then I noticed, like, when I got back on the site, like after pre-orders were over and you could just purchase everything without having to pre-order it, they had a bundle with the candle, which I thought was weird. So I don't really know why they sent a different candle with the pre-order versus if you just waited to get it when it was on the site. But I had to get the matching candle, so I went ahead and picked up the apple cider candle from Mrs. Meyer's. It smells so good, you guys. It smells so good. And I want to do like a fall clean with me and like have this, I know that's silly, but like YouTube things, you know? So just being real with you guys, that is like the main reason why I picked it up, because I want to film this whole like fall clean with me and like decorate for fall and all of that. So yeah, picked it up. All right, and then the last thing that I picked up is probably my favorite thing that I purchased in this haul, and I am so excited because I've been stalking this site waiting for them to restock this product, and for whatever reason it was out for a long time and I just really wanted it. So when I saw it, I put it in my cart. I was like, yes, I'm getting it. And I actually, when I went on there just the other day, it was out of stock again. So if you guys want this product, definitely stock the site. But this is the Caldrea, or Caldrea, however you pronounce it. It is their linen and room spray in Pear Blossom Agave. This is my favorite scent from Caldrea. Like, I like the sea salt neroli, but the Pear Blossom Agave is my absolute favorite. I love this stuff, and I'm so excited because I can finally like use the spray and just have my apartment smell really good. It's not really a fall time scent, but we're gonna make it work as a fall time scent because it smells amazing, guys. Like, you don't even understand. So if you've not checked out these products and like you're looking for a recommendation on like a specific scent, if you guys like the way like pears smell and like that kind of smell, this is the one that I would go with. If you can only get like one scent from them, or you want to try them out or whatever. I know everybody says sea salt neroli and it does smell really good, but this one is probably the one that I would recommend you start with because this one just smells incredible. So definitely check it out. All right, you guys, so that wraps up this month's Grove haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like haul videos, if you like cleaning videos, if you just like videos. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so that way we can hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, I'm just blown away, guys. I'm just blown away. So make sure that you click the subscribe button if you guys like my content. Obviously, don't click it if you don't actually want to see these videos, but if you guys do want to see these videos, it would mean a lot to me if you go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, make sure you hit the bell notification because sometimes YouTube doesn't always notify you when people upload. So if you click that bell notification, you will get an email every time I upload and you'll never miss a video from me. So yeah, make sure to click it. But that is it for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.